Hi, I'm Nick with the Berkley Center, here to introduce our new website and show you how to use some of its main features. Our site has been restructured with you, the user, in mind. We've identified clear topic areas in which we work, and also organized our content regionally. Let's say you're interested in how issues of religion intersect with development projects around the world. Click on our Religion and Development topic to find our major projects, interviews, publications, events, and multimedia resources on the issue. Still not finding what you're looking for? Our new site allows you to drill down even further by selecting subtopics. So if you want to know how religion affects development efforts in the field of sanitation, find the term in our subtopics, click on it, and you'll get further filtered results that should bring you closer to what you're looking for. You can drill down even further by year or by type of content. Similarly, all types of content on the Topics and Regions pages can be filtered down further by clicking Explore All and applying desired filters. We've also created special audience sections. So if you're an educator, journalist, policymaker, religious leader or activist, or student, be sure to check out those pages for information and materials that may be especially useful in your line of work. For example, if you're a journalist on a tight deadline, explore our affiliates' areas of expertise and contact the center to schedule an interview. Or perhaps you're a student looking for courses or extracurricular activities. Visit our student page to see what the Berkley Center can offer you. And because we know you'll need to access our website on the go, we've launched a mobile site with all the same features you saw here, but interfaced for your mobile device. Thank you for visiting the Berkley Center's new website. We hope this video guide has been helpful to get you acclimated with its new design. Email or leave a comment below with feedback or if you have further questions.